What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole Charnel, and if you're old subby, hey girl, how you doing? So today I'm talking about my working out and exercising. I posted a video about lifting weights, bodybuilding, basically getting in shape and stuff like that. And after that, I posted maybe a few videos about going to the gym and working out. But that was like last year, 2018, like the beginning of 2018. So since then, like now in the new year, I've been getting a lot of questions from people who watch my channel that I know on like a day-to-day basis, have been asking me if I'm still working out, if I'm still going to the gym and things like that. So the answer is yes. I am still working out. I'm still working towards my body goals is the main thing. Right now I'm doing a 28-day challenge. It started the 1st of February and it's with my cousin Alicia. Hold That Fitness, I believe the name of it is called. So it's a 28-day challenge from February 1st to February 28th, and it's eating, working out, all that jazz all wrapped up into one. She is new to fitness training. Like, she trained herself and then she just kind of started branching out into training other people, and I believe this is her first challenge, her first online fitness type challenge. So basically we signed up or registered with her, and then she sent us food guide, like a meal plan and everything like that, foods to eat and foods to, to avoid and stuff, as well as gym workout and a home workout. So like if you're at the gym or if you're at home, things you can do and like a guide to follow. And that's what I've been doing for the last 12 days. I've really been trying to just stay focused on it, stay with it and everything like that. Sorry, so I keep like a little album in my camera roll on my phone just to kind of show like where I'm at and where I started and stuff like that. So when I started my journey, January 2018, basically a whole year ago, I think I weighed like 200 pounds in this picture, and I feel like you can totally see it. My stomach is like way protruding. I already have big boobs and my stomach was practically really just further out than my boobs. Like, it was terrible. So like this is what I looked like. And then I also have a picture in here of a girl that I follow on Instagram. Her name is Ashley Nicole, and she's basically the goal weight that I want to be, which is 160. So this is what I looked like in February. This is February 11th. So I had lost a little bit of weight at this point. Like, I'd been a month consistent in my working out and stuff like that, but this is how I looked. So then in March I did a 21-day challenge. Yeah, 21-day challenge with Brittany Babe. And I'll link that video as well. I did really good on that challenge. I really enjoyed it. That really helped me, I feel like, and that really pushed me to the next level. So this was me March 1st, what I looked like for taking the photos for the starting of that challenge. And then at the end of that challenge, and then March 25th, which is a little more than 21 days later, this is how I ended up looking. I lost a lot of weight in like across here, sort of, and like in my stomach. So it kind of pushed my boobs down, but my boobs are big. Like, they just run in my family. They're just big boobs, so they're gonna be there. Also lost some weight in my arms, and as you can see, my stomach definitely has flattened out a lot in this picture. Like a lot. And it's because I cut out sugar and I cut out carbs. As you can see here, like, my stomach definitely flattened out a lot. I was really excited about my results. Also, you can see here my back kind of thinned out. So as you can see from the front, my boobs like look kind of more down. They're not like being pushed out. You can clearly see my cleavage in the first picture. It's like really pushing out, and then in the second picture it's not so much. And that's also because my stomach went down. It's not pushing my boobs up, and my arms are a little bit smaller. The same with my thighs. And then after March, I went on a cruise in April, and after the cruise I really just fell off. Like, I really just fell off, and now we're back here to now. So I also have a photo of me at the beginning of this challenge. So as you can see in this photo, my stomach is still a little lean, but not lean to the utmost where it can be. And my arms are okay, but I want them to be more defined. Now I'm trying to really define the muscle in my arms. Here's just a couple pictures, and as you can see from the side photo, I think I have a better side photo than that. Like, my stomach has came back at this point. It's coming back. It's coming back with a vengeance, okay? It's gonna be back if I don't get it under control. A little bit about this 28-day challenge. Like I said, my cousin created it. She's very successful in her fitness challenge, like her own, basically how she transformed her body, and she's really disciplined and really diligent, and it's just super inspiring for me. Like I said, it's a 28-day challenge, and what we had to do was register online with her, like I said, and she sent everyone an email with all the information that we need to be focusing on. One of her main things is we're not drinking anything other than water the whole 28 days. So just water the whole 28 days, and then after that, you're going to focus on your foods, like no to low carbs, and you're going to eat your proteins and moderate fats, really. So first thing I'm going to show you is the workout. So this is the gym workout, 28-day fitness workout. I'm just going to skim through, you know, every day she has a workout, cardio, chest, back, you know, legs, shoulders, and each day focuses on something different. That's what I really love about this. She really took time to put effort into the workout and showing you what to do, as well as the home workout. She broke it down. If you're at home, you're not going to go to the gym that day. The things you can do to still get your cardio in, the things you can do to still get your weightlifting in, and it's super helpful, and I feel like it's super simple, and that's what I really like about it. Then she has the meal plan, nutritional list, and this is it. Like, it's so simple. I don't have a whole 2 pages of foods. I have these foods right here, and I feel like that, for me, that's something that I need. I need it to be, this is what you can eat. Don't eat nothing else that's not on this list. Get your life right. She has a whole monthly calendar of what you should eat every day. So each and every day she has it broken down. Breakfast, have a snack. Lunch, have a snack. Dinner, have a and then no snack. But anyway, every single day she has it broken down. Each day what we're supposed to be on. Some days you're fasting, some days you're not. We also have cheat meals on some days, and stuff like that. And it's just really helpful and realistic. Really am enjoying this challenge so far. I think it's really working. I'm looking at my body. I've lost 4 pounds, which is cool. Like, that's good enough for me. Like, just seeing the scale go down, even if it goes down 1 pound, I'm enjoying it. And then also seeing the changes in my body. My stomach is really starting to look flatter, and I really like that, and it makes me want to push and work even harder to continue for this challenge and finish this challenge out. So I'm gonna keep going. So if you enjoyed this video, if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you also subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when I post a new video. I post every Tuesday and Friday now. I've been doing it consistently for the past 3 weeks, and I'm so excited about that, so I'm gonna keep it up. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.